G'day guys, today we are at Land Cruiser Park in southeast Queensland and we're going to be doing a demonstration of different modifications and how they affect the drivability of the Jimny off-road. So the different modifications we've got are a stock Jimny just with standard tyres, nothing done, stock Jimny. Then we're going to step up to a lift and bigger tyres. After that we have a lift, bigger tyres with a single rear locker. And lastly, our top progression will be a lift, bigger tyres and twin air lockers. So we look forward to giving you a bit of a demonstration today. It'll help you to understand what those various stages are like and how they affect your Jimny, how it will affect your performance off-road with your car, and hopefully help you make decisions on the modifications you want to make going forward. Thanks guys.
I'm Jen at Lil Jen's World.
And this is Jen's 2020 Suzuki Jimny. Jen, can you tell us a little bit about what you've done to this awesome little beast?
Yeah, so I bought it and I've chucked a sticker and changed a gas strut. That's about it.
So basically, Jen is telling us that her vehicle is pretty stock and we'll be using her car today as the stock vehicle for our little test. Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Shorty and I'm Sarah and this is my partner Josh.
And guys, what have you done to your Jimny?
We have a 2-inch true 50mm lift. We're running 235, 75, 15-inch rims. And other than that, it has just an ARB compressor on board and just some DIY work done to it.
Yeah, awesome guys. So we're going to be using Josh and Sarah's Jimny as our lift and bigger tyres example for our demonstration today. So looking forward to see what it can do. Thanks guys.
Hey guys, I'm Daylan, this is my partner Jacinta and our dog Freddie. And this is our 2019 Jimny.
And can you tell us guys what modifications you've done to your Jimny?
So it's got 235, 75, 15-inch all-terrains, 2.5-inch lift and a rear locker.
Fantastic. So we're going to be using Daylan and Jacinta's car as the rear locker demonstration, so the difference as to what a rear locker can do. Thanks very much guys.
Let's shoot a gav.
Yeah, I was holding my hand so I didn't do it. G'day guys, I'm Darren and this is my car, the Little Rig.
Darren, tell us a little about your little rig.
Well, the Little Rig has got a 2-inch lift, 31 by 10.5 by 15 Maxxis razors, and it is twin locked with reduction gears. So we're going to be using the Little Rig today as the twin lock example. So I'm going to try and take the reduction gears out of it and maybe drive in third gear to keep our speeds kind of similar. So we're using this as an example for twin lockers. Thanks guys.
Awesome. Yeah, come up and just, stick on the line gentle. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, he's alright. You can take any one.
momentum through it.
Back up a little bit. Yep, up there. Now just sort of turn.
Another reset, trying to get a little bit of the bump.
Yep, good enough.
She's...
Stuck there.
No, she's done. That's it.
Well, there we have it, guys. That's a nice little demonstration for you in a real world environment of the difference between a stock Jimny, a lifted Jimny with tyres, rear locked Jimny and a twin locked Jimny. How does this affect you and help you make a decision? Well, I guess firstly you've got to look at what you're wanting to do with your Jimny. If you're just heading to the beach, going for the occasional drive through the national park, a stock Jimny is super capable. The all grip system is fantastic. It's going to get you everywhere with a bit of right foot, bit of determination. You know, fantastic vehicles and super capable. Bigger tyres and a lift, more ground clearance. It's just going to get you a few more places, probably get you some better grip off-road, and like I say, better clearance. That just gives you access to more tracks, really. Adding a rear locker, you know, it is going to get you up those hills. It's going to negate a bit of that wheel lift. You lift one rear wheel, you're going to keep driving. There's always going to be that drive coming from the rear and pushing you through those ruts or up a hill. Twin locked, look, a twin locked Jimny, it's pretty well unstoppable. They're lightweight. You're going to be pulling yourself up a hill. You're going to be pushing yourself up a hill at all times. Doesn't matter what situation you're in, you're going to have drive to those wheels, and it's just going to get you out of a lot of situations, no worries at all. You add in things like reduction gearing after that, sky's the limit. Light vehicles, lockers, reduction gears, just super vehicle to take off-road. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. But we hope you found this useful. Just gives you a really good idea when you're planning your modifications, what might suit you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's enough of me talking. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.